Like 5 people and that's it.
It's wild, man.
Yeah.
I've never written a check since I moved here. I feel like checks died a little earlier in the European market.
I got an out-of-date checkbook in my
Yeah, that's my mom freaks out when I tell her I don't have a checkbook. She's like, how do you not do that? I'm like, well, I have a credit card.
She's like, how do you buy groceries?
Are we going to drive in McPherson this time? No.
No,
definitely don't think we'll...
Oh, nice.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, Luke, can you hit
This
okay?
guy didn't look at me at all.
Okay. And then hit the M button.
He didn't even look.
Didn't even. And he's on his phone. He's not using a blinker.
Oh, okay. You could have made that decision a little earlier. You know, but whatever. I can tell that you've made a lot of those kinds of decisions in the past. Why are you just braking? You weren't turning. What are you doing?
What are they? Y'all.
What are you doing?
No.
Dude? You gotta go. Did you just brake checking me? I think he's just brake checking me or something.
I'm just confused.
I don't know. You gotta figure it out, dude. You gotta figure it out, dude.
He's got a smashed up back end, so he obviously has had some problems in the past.
Yeah. Oh, now he's gonna try to pull a Yui on a one-way road. Look at him. He's pulling a Yui on a one-way road. Bro, guess what I'm gonna do? We're gonna lock that file.
Oh, you have a dash cam.
Yeah, I do. It's gonna go into the compilation.
Live action Dora the Explorer?
You can't do that.
Yeah, it's good though. You really needed to.
Yeah.
You
had every reason
you're both
to do
going
that.
slower
And you're single in the car. Guess what? That was getting locked. 587 PRN.
More about them crossing the lines, right?
Yeah.
This is in an
Oh, yeah.
HOV lane right now.
Oh, yeah.
We make a helmet that people can put their coffee in, and a straw that comes down so they can drink their coffee while they're riding a scooter. $50 idea.
And then when you fall on the scooter, it gets pressed.
Then they just deploy an airbag around your head.
There are those areas.
You mean shenanigans?